Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 and let me share with you how to close all running apps on this device. So firstly we have to enter the recents, and you can do it by tapping on this three bars icon if you've got the navigation bar with buttons just like me. If you've got the gestures, then you will have to swipe your finger up very gently and hold it somewhere here, and in this area you should see all previously opened apps. So let me enter the recents right here, and as I said, here we've got the full list of previously opened apps. Of course you can close only one of it, just find it and swipe it up just like that. If you'd like to close all of them with only one click, just tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back to our homepage, so we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recently used apps, so it means that we successfully closed all of them. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy A32. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.